Crawford Golden over, and he'll throw the lead block. And the handoff to Brook, and he's going to go down to the 5. Almost took it all the way.
Side of the line on the right side, but we go left.
And easily,
Touchdown.
Strother Gibbs gets into the end zone for the touchdown. What an impressive opening drive by Mountain Brook. 2nd and 9 for Mountain Brook out of the timeout. Strother Gibbs will throw it to the end zone.
Touchdown!
Touchdown, Spartans! Oh, what a great job by Paulson Wright to go up and get that.
I tell you what, Paulson Wright has shown it.
Beauty at the beginning as well by the offensive line.
And Atkins Roberts comes on and puts it through the middle. Career record for the Spartans.
Barker to pass.
Oh, look at Big
Pat it
Wentworth.
down.
Getting up in the middle, putting those big paws up and knocking it away.
Golden, the motion man. Sets up on the right side. Paulson Wright goes that way as well.
Oh,
Gets
look at
back
him. Look
to
at
pass.
Paulson. Look at Paulson.
Deep, and it is to Paulson, and he got it. He won the battle for the ball again.
You mean Paulson had got way out in front. There it is.
Oh, untouched into the end zone. Strother Gibbs with his 2nd touchdown run of the night. Quick pass to Crawford Golden. Gets a great block.
Touchdown.
And he is in for the touchdown.
You aren't going to keep that big old body out of the end zone. The defense line sort of taking over this ball game. Let's see what happens on this drive.
Oh,
How about
look at the defense?
How about
Look at the
Mr. Logan
defense.
Brewer making the big hit?
And
Blake Pugh's there. There's an interception.
Intercepted by Blake Pugh.
There's a, don't throw it that way. Blake Pugh will pick it off. Oh, play action right here.
Yeah,
Mr.
just
Golden. Look at
sent it out
perfect.
there
He's
to
going to get up and
Crawford
go.
Golden. What a
He's going
block.
to get up and go.
Crawford Golden.
You're going to get him.
5.
Touchdown. Oh, they're going to call him out at the 1.
Service 1st down. Strother Gibbs will run it in for the 3rd time tonight, and again, very little resistance because his friends up front did their job.
Well, I tell you, Atkins Roberts for the kick. Spartans taking control of this game, 35-14 with
Play. They're going for it deep in their own territory. They'll come up short. Will Yarbrough made the stop for.
Big Jake Thompson.
It is Sam
Oh, look
again.
at Sam.
He finds the hole.
Get in there,
and
Sam.
Shoots into the end zone.
Tell you what, he goes in untouched. Sam Higgins just taking it up the middle.
2nd down.
Oh, there goes
Strother
Strother.
keeps it.
There he goes.
He might
He's
go all
taking
the
off.
way.
Get on in
Strother
there.
Gibbs
Get on in
will
there.
go all the way.
Get on in there, Strother. Touchdown, Spartans.